airplane seat confusion.
Excuse me, I think this might be my seat.
Really? I don't think so. My ticket says window seat 18B.
Let me check. My ticket says 18A, and 18A is the window seat.
Oh, I always thought B was the window.
On most planes, A is the window, B is the middle, C is the aisle.
Oh, wow, you're right. My ticket really does say 18B.
So 18B is actually the middle seat.
I'm so sorry. I wanted the window, so I just sat down.
No worries. It's an easy mistake.
I'll move to the middle seat right now.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy the view out of the window.
Thanks. Have a good flight.
You too.
Taxi using a different road.
Good afternoon. Where would you like to go?
Hi, to the Riverfront Hotel, please, on King Street.
Sure, no problem. We'll be there soon.
Excuse me, I don't recognize this road. Doesn't King Street go the other way?
Normally, yes, but there's an accident on that road today. I'm taking a shortcut.
Oh, I see. I thought we would go down King Street directly.
I checked the traffic app. That way is very slow right now.
Is this route much longer?
It's a little longer in distance, but faster in time.
Okay, I just don't want to pay a lot more.
Don't worry. It should only be a small difference on the meter.
How long do you think it will take?
Around 10 to 15 minutes from here.
All right, I'll trust your local knowledge.
Thank you. I've been driving in this city for over 10 years.
Then you probably know all the good shortcuts.
And some good restaurants, too. The Riverside Grill near your hotel is very good.
Really? I love trying new places.
Their fish and vegetables are excellent.
That sounds perfect. I'll check it out.
Look, that's your hotel up ahead. Just one more corner.
Great. Thank you for the ride.
That will be $11, please.
Here's 12. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye. Broken product in the store.
Good afternoon. Can I help you with something?
Yes, please. I bought this lamp here yesterday and it doesn't work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. It doesn't turn on at all?
No, I plug it in and press the switch, but there's no light.
I see. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Yes, I see you bought it yesterday.
That's right.
Did you try another outlet at home, just in case?
Yes, I tried 2 different ones. It still didn't work.
Then it sounds like the lamp is defective.
Can I exchange it for another one?
Of course. We have the same model in stock.
Can we test the new one here?
Yes, let's plug it in at the counter.
Okay.
Look, this one lights up right away.
Perfect. That's how it should work.
I'll process the exchange. Would you like to add an extra 1-year warranty for $5?
Yes, that's a good idea. I'll take the extra warranty.
All right, here is your new receipt and the new lamp.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. We're happy to fix the problem.
Do you also sell bigger floor lamps?
Yes, on the back wall. They start at $45.
I'll have a look. Maybe next time.
No problem. We're open every day from 9 to 8.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Cold soup at the restaurant.
Excuse me, please.
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
Actually, my soup is cold.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that.
I ordered it hot.
You're right. It should be hot. Maybe it sat in the kitchen too long.
Could you please heat it up?
Of course. I'll take it back right now.
Thank you.
We're very busy today, but that's no excuse. I'll ask the chef to make it fresh.
I appreciate that. It smells very good.
That's our tomato basil soup. It's one of our most popular dishes.
I love tomato soup.
Here you go. This one is hot.
Yes, I can see the steam. Thank you.
Would you like some bread with olive oil?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Is this your first time in our restaurant?
Yes, my friend recommended it.
That's nice to hear. We're quite well known in this area.
What is the price of the lunch special today?
It's $13. It includes a main dish, a drink, and dessert.
That sounds good. I might try it next time.
I'm glad. How is the soup now?
It tastes excellent. Much better hot.
I'm happy we could fix it.
Thank you for your quick help.
You're welcome. We want our guests to be satisfied.
I am. I'll definitely come back.
Wonderful. Have a great afternoon.
Thanks. You too.
Room cleaning request.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
My room, 312, wasn't cleaned today.
Really? That's unusual.
I left around 9:30, and I put the Please Clean Room sign on the door.
Let me check with housekeeping.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, it looks like there was a misunderstanding. They thought you didn't want service today.
Oh, I see. But I do need fresh towels and the trash emptied.
Of course. Would you also like new bed sheets?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
We can send someone up in about 10 minutes.
Great. I'll wait somewhere else so they can clean.
You're welcome to sit in the lobby or at the bar.
I'll go to the bar.
In that case, we'd like to offer you a free drink for the inconvenience.
That's very kind of you. I'll have a coffee, please.
A coffee it is. The bar is on the ground floor next to the pool.
Yes, I remember.
We'll call you as soon as your room is ready.
Thank you for fixing this so quickly.
Of course. Are you staying with us for a few more days?
Yes, until Monday.
We'll make sure your room is cleaned every morning.
I appreciate that.
Thank you for your patience. We'll contact you shortly.
Thanks again. See you later.
See you later. Have a nice day.
Hotel booking not found.
Good evening. Welcome to Pine Lake Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. Yes, I should. It's under the name Mark Lewis.
Okay, let me check. Lewis. I'm sorry, I don't see your name in our system.
Really? I booked it online 2 weeks ago.
Are you sure it was this hotel?
Yes, I'm sure. I have the confirmation email here on my phone.
May I take a look?
Of course. Here it is. Today's date, double room, 2 nights.
I see the dates. Oh, I don't see a reservation number here.
Scroll down. It's near the bottom.
Ah, yes, there it is. Let me try again with that number.
Thank you.
Still nothing in our system. It looks like the booking website made an error.
Oh no. So what happens now?
Don't worry, we still have rooms available. I can give you a double room at the same price.
Does it also have a view of the lake?
Yes, we have a lake view double room free on the second floor.
That's exactly what I wanted.
The rate is $85 per night, just like in your email.
Perfect. Thank you for matching the price.
And because of the trouble, I'll also include free breakfast.
That's very kind of you.
Here is your key card for room 204.
Which floor is that on?
Second floor, at the end of the hallway on the left.
Great.
If you need anything, just dial 0 from your room.
Thank you for your help and for solving the problem.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay with us.
Thanks. Have a good evening.
You too. Restaurant bill mistake.
Excuse me, ma'am. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was very good, thank you. But I think there is a mistake on the bill.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me see.
Here, it says 2 burgers, but I only ordered 1.
You're right. It does say 2.
And here, it shows 3 drinks, but I only had 2.
I see. That's definitely wrong. I'll correct it right away.
Thank you.
So, 1 burger is $11, and 1 drink is $3. That means we need to remove $11 plus $3. So, $14.
Yes, that's what I thought too.
The new total is $22 instead of $36.
That looks correct.
I'm really sorry about the confusion. We're very busy this evening.
It's okay. I know mistakes can happen.
I'm glad you told me. Did you like the food?
Yes, the burger was delicious. The fries were great too.
Thank you. Would you like any dessert?
No, just the corrected bill, please.
Of course. Here you are, $22.
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card here.
Done.
Perfect. The payment went through.
Thank you for fixing everything so quickly.
You're welcome. We hope to see you again soon.
I'll definitely come back. Have a nice night.
You too. Goodbye.
Backpack mix-up.
Hello? Excuse me.
Hi, yes?
I think you might have my backpack.
Your backpack? I don't think so. This one is mine.
My backpack is also dark blue and looks just like that, but it has a small name tag on the side.
Oh, this one has a name tag too. It says Liam Parker.
That's my name. Then that must be my backpack.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. The bags look very similar.
Where is your backpack then?
I left it on the bench near the fountain.
That's exactly where I picked this one up. Let's go check.
Yes, good idea.
Look, here's another blue backpack without a tag.
That one is probably yours.
You're right. Mine doesn't have a tag.
Great. Now everything is in the right place.
I'm really sorry for the mix-up. For a minute, I thought I found a better backpack.
And I thought mine was stolen.
No, just a small mistake.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, usually on Sundays. I like to sit by the lake.
Me too. The ducks are fun to watch.
And the ice cream stand is really good.
Which flavor do you recommend?
Try the strawberry or the pistachio.
Thanks. I'll do that. And thanks for helping fix the backpack problem.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
At the cafe.
Good morning. Would you like a table?
Yes, please. A table for one.
Of course. Oh, I see you have a dog with you.
Yes, this is Max. He's very quiet.
I'm sorry, but dogs aren't allowed inside the cafe.
Not even small dogs?
No, it's our policy. Some guests have allergies or are afraid of dogs.
I understand. Do you have any outdoor seating?
Yes, we have a small terrace right outside.
Can I sit there with him?
Yes, outside is absolutely fine.
Great. Could I have a menu, please?
Of course, I'll bring it to your table on the terrace.
Thank you.
Do you drink coffee? We also have oat milk and almond milk.
That's perfect. I'll have a latte with oat milk, please.
No problem. And for your dog, would you like a bowl of water?
Yes, that would be very kind.
All right, 1 oat milk latte and some water for Max.
Thank you very much.
Here's your coffee and a bowl of water for him.
Look, Max, water for you.
He's very cute.
Thanks. He loves sitting outside and watching people.
Would you like something to eat as well?
Yes, some toasted bread with tomato, please.
Whole wheat or white bread?
Whole wheat, please.
Okay, it'll be ready in a few minutes.
No rush. We're enjoying the weather.
I'm glad. Thank you for understanding about the dog rules.
No problem at all. This solution works for everyone.
Have a nice breakfast.
Thank you. You too.
Wrong change at the shop.
Hello. Are you paying with cash?
Yes. Here you go. $20.
Thank you. Your total is $13.40. Here's your change, $5.60.
Sorry, I think that might be wrong.
Really? I thought it was correct.
I gave you a 20, and the total was $13.40, right?
Yes, that's right.
Then the change should be $6.60, not $5.60.
Oh, you're right. I must have counted $1 less.
It's okay. It's easy to make a mistake.
Let me check the till. Yes, here we are. Here's the extra $1.
Thank you.
I'm sorry about that. We handle a lot of coins all day.
No problem, but it's good to double check.
You're absolutely right. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
A bag is 10 cents. I'll take it from your change. So here is $6.50 and your bag.
Perfect. Now everything adds up.
Are you visiting town or do you live here?
I'm just visiting from Dallas.
Oh, nice. I've heard Dallas is a great city.
It is, but I like Chicago a lot too.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your time here.
Thank you. And thanks again for fixing the change.
Of course. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.